So this week, we've got a very, very special project that we're about to start, and it's going to be the Lamborghini Revuelto in Nero Nemesis. This is probably the first modified Lamborghini Revuelto in the UK, if not Europe.
Here we go.
As you can see here, we've got the whole kit laid out for it. It's the full Dukes Dynamics kit, full carbon fiber. You're talking bonnet, front splitter, engine bay cover, which then has these spoiler arms from over there. Then obviously the side skirt extensions and the rear diffuser fins. So these are overlays that are going to go over the rear diffuser and give it a more aggressive stance from behind. The kit itself obviously comes not fully finished yet. It's going to require quite a bit of work. We're going to have to probably get it sanded, flatted down, re-lacquered, and then we're toying with the idea of keeping it gloss or going satin lacquer. There's a high chance we're going to go with the satin lacquer and then obviously satin PPF on top. The bonnet and the engine cover are going to be painted in Nero Nemesis to match the car, just so it's not carbon overload. But we may look at leaving some exposed sections on the bonnet in carbon. And even with the engine cover, potentially some bits may stay in carbon. We don't know yet. We're going to first test fit, put everything on the car, make sure everything fits, aligns, make whatever adjustments we've got to do, take it back off the car, and then send it to the body shop, get refinished, put it back on the car again, PPF the bits, and then it's good to go.
Okay, back to our Revuelto. I already start assessing the job. Just doing a little guidance mark for me. So on a carbon bit, I will need to adapt the original OEM parts to the carbon parts. This one going out, this one going to take them off. Original grills will go from here over there. This is actually going to be a crazy build. We are first in UK who are going to do some sort of conversion for Revuelto. Some guys in USA already did it, but we're first in UK, really proud of it. So this is an engine lid cover, and it will have this sort of stands or brackets for a rear spoiler. But the very exciting thing that the actual original spoiler will stay, and the new spoiler will go above, double wing jet. Yeah, so it looks crazy. I was waiting for this like really long time, but now we're ready to smash. We'll see how it looks. And we're working on Revuelto. The magic already start happening. Working with carbon, also funny, and you don't know what to expect. But so far, all building processes going well. We'll start with this one. We took probably from the underneath we show first, right? So we had to integrate original parts from the original rear hatch lid and integrate them down here in a carbon bit. We put the new hinge in, meshes, also hinges for the engine lid stick. This is a spoiler stance, the rear spoiler stance. Very surprised when I first look at this, how it's gonna be, how it's gonna look. At the beginning I thought that the rear spoiler, original spoiler, will be replaced and we're gonna put a new spoiler instead. But I was very surprised when I just realized it's gonna be a twin spoiler. So original spoiler is staying and additional spoiler is going on top of the original. So currently we're working on this engine bay cover. We're installing this spoiler stands. They're gonna go on top of the rear hatch, and the second spoiler will be above the original spoiler. Stoke is already been installed, pretty straightforward. I had to deal with another side, but what makes it funny, how the bolts located. Ideally they should be dead straight line. You see how they walking? They're not even. It means we have to play with the holes in actual lid and to make it happen. a little bit, make them wider, and just to fit these bolts and have a little like access plate, like 1 mil, so it allows me to install it easier. So once we've done with it, I don't know, we'll probably move into the front bonnet. Okay, at this stage we stop, but so far it's a massive piece of car leaning on a table, yeah? Look at this massive piece. Bruh. It's a big panel, right? Yeah, and yeah, I just want to turn it around. So I've managed to fit them together. Look at this. Look at that. Because as Vafik mentioned, we're going to paint these elements in the original Lamborghini color. Our task right now is to bond everything together, try to fit it on the car, do the final adjustments, and then we're going to send everything to the body kit. At this stage, I think we've done with this part. I don't know, maybe today, maybe later, we're going to try to fit it on. But it's a very, very like heavy. It's heavy. Honestly, it's like a heavier than the original carbon, but I think all this solidness been made on purpose, just because the downforce, imagine. It should slide very easily. So we already took original bonnet out. What we do now, our task is to take all original parts from OEM bonnet. We'll try to borrow all these original rubbers, hinges, plastic bits, take it off and put it back to carbon bonnet over here. Also Lamborghini badge we're gonna put as well. Yeah. And that's it. This is literally a channel over there. We're going to borrow original rubber from the bonnet. That's going to be a mission as well. Don't really want glue. Spend good half an hour probably to make it happen. But now, because again, I don't want to put this area, especially on a Tiger Seal, because this is original washer jets, and I just want them to be clicked in. So that's what I achieved. So I'm very happy with the result. I have to make sure that every single pin went in the location, and then I'm going to click that in. Beautiful. Gonna do the same with this one now. Gonna do the same with the hinge. This is how it looks. Right, but this is how it looks here. I'm going to make a template, drill the same holes, make sure that this will sit perfectly down there.